Hello guys, so in this video we will see bubble sorting. So in bubble sorting we sort an unsorted array. In the last class we saw that we were using binary search. So in order to do binary search you need a sorted list or sorted array. So a common way to sort an array is using bubble sorting. So what is bubble sorting? Bubble sorting is basically swapping each elements with other one. Now there is a trick. Let me show it. Okay, so this is an unsorted array. So what we do is we will take the first element and we will call it pivot. So we will compare it with the second element. Okay, the second element is less than the pivot, so we swap it. So it will look like this: 2, 5, 9, 1, 5. My handwriting is bad. Never mind that. All right, so this 251, no, sorry, 259, 156. Okay. Then we will compare it with the next element. Okay. So we don't need to sort it anymore. So we will pick this one pivot now because it's bigger than the previous pivot. Okay. So let's compare 9 to 1. Yeah, it's definitely less than 9. So we will sort it. Okay, so it will be the same case for the next case as well because the 5 is already less than 9. So it will be 251, 5, 9, 6, and so on. Okay, so our array will be this. Our array will be like this: 2, 5, 1, 5, 6, 9. Okay, now again we will pick this as our pivot because there will be another loop running to the programming. Okay, so this is already bigger than the pivot. So we will pick this pivot right now. So we will pick it as pivot. It will be the same. If just remember one thing. If any pivot you see is bigger than the next element, then the pivot will remain unchanged. But if any element next then the pivot is bigger than pivot itself, then it will be the next pivot. As easy as that. So it will be the same. The one will come in 5's place and 5 will go to 1's place. So yeah, it will be like this. Now, and here is one thing, one case you need to understand that 5 equals to 5. Now, both are equal, right? So when we have equal, we won't change anything. I mean, you can actually swap it, but it won't do any good to you because 5 and 5 is same, right? So it's just taking an extra resources in your PC. Okay, so we will go to the next one. Yeah, we will pick this as our people. Now we will compare to this. Yeah, this is bigger than the pivot. So we will pick this as pivot and our loop will be ending. Then it will again go back to 2 in the next loop. Then the 2 will be compared to 1. Yeah, it will take the they will swap places. So it will be mm, So it will be like this now. 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, and 9. Yeah, it will be like this now. And now it's already sorted. So the loop will be terminated. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do an in theory, that's how you can sort an unsorted array. Now let's check the programming. Okay, so I wrote it. All right, so we made a function called bubble sort. We take parameter as an array. We take an array as an parameter. Uh, so we take the length of an array into variable n. Then we run a loop by per length of this array. Then we run a nested loop from 0 to the next element's index. Then we compare to the, as I said, then we compare it to the previous pivot to next element. So in this condition, we see that if previous element is bigger than the next element, then we swap places. And this is how it runs. Let me run it again. Yeah, it's the same. See, 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. And this is the same as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the bubble sorting array, and it's very fun. If you are starting to, if you're starting programming, I will highly encourage you to teach this because it will be needed. It will be needed in algorithms, and I'm doing algorithms course now in my university. So I'm saying this bubble sort is very necessary to do. So yeah, I encourage you to try it. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you have a good day.